this is Key and I'm back with another video. This one's a little bit different. So I am doing wick maintenance. As you see here, this is after his wicks have been maintained. He only has 5 of them. You're gonna see very shortly that his hair was jacked up, okay? Not to be rude, you know what I'm saying? He washes it, his hair wasn't super dirty. It was just, he had a lot of new growth and he needed maintenance. But before we get into this video, y'all go ahead and follow me on Instagram at keyswork_. Give this video a thumbs up, y'all. Comment afterwards if you liked the video or if you didn't. So like I said in my previous video, I like to work with clean hair and a clean scalp. So I do shampoo my lock clients. Only things I don't really shampoo for are like braid styles and stuff like that. But for all of my clients with locks, I do shampoo their hair. So when I'm doing wicks, I can actually not like do the wick maintenance like with the crochet while their hair is wet. So I washed his hair. I sat him under the dryer for about 5-7 minutes, and then I went ahead and started separating out his locks. So like I said in a bunch of my previous videos, to get clean parts, you want to go ahead and part it out. Then you put gel, your choice of gel, directly on the part and then repart it, and that is how I achieve the cleanest parts possible. So once you have parted out your first wick, you want to go ahead and comb that all together and rubber band it at the root. Normally, I do not keep these rubber bands on the root. I will, lock up the new growth and then cut the rubber bands out, because rubber bands are really unhealthy for your hair if they stay in long term. This client in particular, though, really wanted that clean, neat, super fresh look, so we left the rubber bands in only because he asked me to. But if it was up to me, I would have cut those rubber bands out. Okay, y'all, please do not leave rubber bands in your clients' wigs. It is not healthy, and you will see that a little bit later in this video where I have to actually cut some old rubber bands out of his hair. I'm just gonna do this same thing throughout all of his wicks, which is only 5 of them, which is basically part them out and then rubber band them at the root to get ready to lock them up. Here is some old rubber bands from one of the last times he got his hair done, and that's super unhealthy for your hair. He has a really deep mark right there where the rubber bands were, which is going to be really hard to get rid of, if I can get rid of it at all. And that's why rubber bands to me are a big no-no. So yeah, basically, like I already said, y'all just want to pre-part the whole head. It just makes things go by a lot smoother. A while back, I used to part them one at a time and then lock the new growth one at a time, but I just feel like this is a way to work smarter, not harder. So this is the last one. And then just look at how good that looks. And it's going to be super easy to go ahead and lock up his roots. So I use a 3-prong 0.75 millimeter crochet tool. I do not like the 0.5 millimeter because it cuts up my fingers really badly, because the needle is just a lot smaller and it's honestly a lot more dangerous. I have stabbed myself, I have cut myself, and I'm just not in the business of hurting myself. So I switched to the 0.75 millimeter and it is a lifesaver. First of all, because the needle is slightly bigger, you can grab, you know, maybe 2 or 3 strands of hair instead of just 1 or 2 at a time. So it does make it a little bit faster when doing instant locks, wick maintenance, lock extensions, anything like that. So definitely go and grab you some. You can get them from Amazon. They have single needles, double prong, and triple prong. My personal favorite is the triple prong because, of course, more needles equals a faster job. But you know, everyone has their own preference. A friend of mine likes to use the single one. So, you know, they come in a pack of 3, which is the single, the double, and the triple. And you can just decide which one you like best and, you know, stick to that. It took me a long time to kind of get my groove and learn which one I liked and which one was the best and, you know, which size. So everyone's different, you know, just try out different things. These needles are very inexpensive. I think the pack of 3 was like $9.99 or something like that. And also you'll see here, after I am done doing the wick maintenance, basically instant locking his new growth, I do palm roll it just because it gives it a, you know, a better finished look. At this point, y'all, my client had fallen asleep. I'm just yanking his head around and he was not moving. So, yeah, he had a long drive. I think he drove 3 hours to come and get his hair done. And I definitely appreciate all of my clients. I'm actually doing somebody tomorrow morning. And I don't know if I'll record it or not, but I'm doing some lock extensions tomorrow morning. And she's driving in from Virginia to Augusta, Georgia, which is insane to me, and I definitely appreciate it. So I definitely will be recording more. I would like to put out 1 video a week, but I don't know, I just get so busy, and I definitely want to make more content. I really do. I love editing videos. I love doing hair. I love recording. You know, I just sometimes I forget, and then I don't want to just like start recording a video halfway through the hairstyle. You know, that's just, I want to give a full tutorial or like a full time lapse or whatever. So I will definitely try to record more and to post more. My goal is twice a month, and then I'm going to move to once a week. But right now, enjoy what's up already. Appreciate the details that I include. And, just comment anything that you want to see. Comment if you like the video. You can comment if you don't like the video, what you think I need to improve on, because I definitely appreciate the criticism. And yeah, y'all give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that. On the road to 300 subscribers. Super proud of that. Thank you guys so much. Y'all have been showing out, okay? So I'm going to stop talking for a while, and you can just watch what I do. I think I'm actually basically done. Yeah, never mind. I'm done. So the last step is to just trim up the little fuzzy hair on the wicks. Don't cut a lot. You don't have to get every single little hair, but I just think it gives it a very nice finishing look or whatever, like the cherry on top. So I do like to trim little fuzzy hairs or whatever. And yeah, that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoys it. I have been trying to keep my videos under 20 minutes so that people will watch the full video. So if you made it this far, thank you so much. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. I will be back with another video, and it's going to be a good one. I am putting lock extensions in my own hair. So stay tuned, you guys. Bye.